Hello, my name is Mohammad Amin Maher, and I'm an international student at Conestoga College in field of robotics and industrial automation. Uh, Here is my project, and you can see the project form window. And I want to explain my project. First of all, we have some labels and text box, and here we have a group box, and the group box has some radio buttons, and we have some buttons, and here is a list box that shows my result. Okay, so when I click on a start button, we have an error that we have to select an value. Okay, for example, I enter 5, 10, I don't know, 50, and offset 45, and select 4. Skip option 3 and 2. When I click on start, we can see the result, and dot 3 and dot 2 is skip. And when I click on the checkbox and start and click again on the start line, the escape line disappear. Okay. Uh, for example, again, have a, I don't know, 50, 40, 20, here 45, and 8 is 5 and 8. Start. This is the result. Thank you so much.